everybody, it's Tia. On my TikTok channel, I recently shared a few tips for giving better presentations, and today I wanted to share just a few more with you. The tips I gave on my TikTok video recently were to be enthusiastic, speak like you're speaking to a friend, tell a genuine, exciting story, and to seek to inspire, not to simply persuade or inform. Here's a few other tips for your next presentation. Use graphics to help supplement your presentation, such as slides with bullet points that are easy for your viewers to look up at and gather quick info from. Respect the audience's time. Seek to make it really easy for the audience to understand what you're trying to tell them. Be selective with the content that you share and make sure that it's something that supports your main point. Try making your outline of what you're going to be talking about on paper first and then put it into a full-blown presentation. Be original. Share ideas in a way that makes it fun for you. And above all, try and relax. And while it can be difficult, especially if you're speaking in front of other people, try and have fun with it as much as you can and make it an enjoyable experience for yourself too. Good luck! See you in the next video. Bye!